I just took a Monza and pop riveted bling on it and called it a Royale. Right, morning everyone. The wings are dry. They've had a week to dry, and we've got some little imperfections we need to deal with. We've got some sags and runs in them. It's actually no particular paint nibs or anything, just a couple of little runs. So one by one, let's put them on the table and have a look. So, looking at it and feeling it, we've got one or two little imperfections. We've got a run there, we've got some runs down the bottom here, we've got a run there, and we've got some runs down the bottom here. I think I laid the heavy coat on a bit, or the clear coat on a bit thick. All in all, they don't look half bad. Okay. Now, first of all, I bought one of these. It may be absolute snake oil. In fact, I've got a feeling it is. Yeah, it's not touching it. There's no sharpness on that at all. Pile of shit. That can go back to Amazon. Right, so let's do it the traditional way. Okay. See if we can get the bulk of that drip out. I'm trying to be careful not to take the edge off. That's just a square of aluminium there that's got a very flat surface on it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's like a halo around it where the run is still high. And once I get it down so that halo goes, then I'll have got it. Having this solid bit of metal behind it helps, this little block. And this is an offcut from the mill, so it's actually got a perfectly flat face on it because it's been surface faced. So that was with 1000 grit, and that's 2000 grit, just to take any little high spots off. So I couldn't feel any other runs or nibs or anything there. So now we can polish that. So we've got quite a hard sponge, nicely washed out, coarse compound, brilliant. Right, so now a softer sponge and medium cut. So this is ultra fine. This is more akin to T-cut. If you're from the UK, you'll be aware of T-cut. In fact, it's even the same colour as T-cut. That's not bad. It's not good, but it's not offensive. It's got a nice gloss to it. As I say, it's not great, but it ain't terrible. Right, let's put his jewellery back on. I need to stop at home and print some more of these. These are a pair of good ones. A little bit of mother's polish on that. Does bring it up lovely, mother's polish. This is not me calling it mother's polish out of some kind of colloquial. It's actually called, it's a brand called Mother's. Okay, so what we do, we just stick a little dribble of cavity wax behind this. Because obviously it's a place that water can lurk. And it's just pop riveted on. That's all they did. They just took a Monza and pop riveted bling on it and called it a Royale. Might as well make it as objectionable as possible to handle. Right, and this is the one we had all the trouble with. There's still some evidence of reaction there. So it's not great, but, well, let's put it this way. It's not great, but it's not bad enough to do again. Considering this is only interim, the whole car's going to need a respray. Again, we'll give it 2,000 over the whole lot. And that has got 3 little spots where it's burnt through. There, there, and there. This is probably a very bad idea to do this. I should probably leave it alone. Let that dry. It's a bit of panel wipe just to make sure it's clean, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of aerosol lacquer over it and then let it dry before we polish it up. Like I say, probably a very bad idea. Right, I'm just going to give it 10 minutes and I'm going to give that a quick puff again, and I'm just going to leave it dry because I only want to take one wing at a time in the van in case they rattle together. So I'm just going to go over and put one wing on now, and then we'll come back and polish this because that lacquer should be dry by then. Yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, so it's about 3 hours later. I've been and fitted the other wing to the car, where I just put some extra clear coat on the bits that had gone through. That's all gone off now. So now I can just take that down just to blend it in. It's quite orange peely because it's from a rattle can. Feels better. Now we can just do what we did with the other one and polish it in. So hard pad, coarse compound. So, medium compound. You get the shine straight away with that medium compound. It's like painting shine on it. It's incredible. So this is the fine. That's vaguely acceptable. Looks better than it did. Right, those 3 sponges need to go in the wash. Okay, so trim clips. Can't get these anymore, so I made them. When I took it apart, I had 2 that were broken and 2 that were good. I made this design a while ago when I needed one for the back. I'm actually going to run a few off for the Autobahn Stormers, because these clips have actually, or the pins have been taken out on this, or were never put in, possibly never put in. So this was a new old stock wing. Right, I'm going to have to drill the panel. See, there are little rivets that you get for this, which have never been fitted. Somebody else drilled them and they used nuts and bolts. Now I haven't actually got the rivets. If I had slightly longer pop rivets, that would work. I have got slightly longer pop rivets. So these are 4mm pop rivets, so let's use a 4mm drill. So I've got a spare clip. I printed 3 just in case I broke one. I challenge you to rust now. I mean, yeah, okay, I should have wire brushed it all down, and I didn't, but, you know. Okay, what we'll do, we'll put that in the van, and then tomorrow, go over to the car, fit it. I'll take you with me this time, and we'll see what they look like. Well, there we are, that is the final result. And they look rather good. Even stops making the bonnet look so horrible. Considering what they were like, that is just incredibly good. We've still got this colour match here. This is the correct colour. This has faded over time. But, you know, these doors need to be done, the wheel arches need to be done, the rear valances need to be done, so the whole car will get painted eventually. But moreover, it doesn't look nasty here anymore, which it did. This was multiple different colours, there was a big dent in that side. All in all, I'm very pleased with that. So yeah, that's it for today. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one.